of Durrës of other ports of the region?
Very dangerous question here.
As Mate mentioned, they have more closed ports, so they are competitors. Every port is, especially when they are close to each other, competitors to each other. But we don't feel like that. So I think that there is a space to cooperate together, like other ports. We have example between other ports that are cooperating, and also the initiatives to make some connectivity with ports from Italy and also Albania to become stronger and to exchange knowledge with each other.
Yes, thank you. It was a very political answer, but it was. But now, competing to be a competitive port does not mean it's not always is better. It's a good because you have to compete either in infrastructure, in technology, and in everything that in connectivity. You have to have new partners. You have to have more in order to survive. You have to have very competitive tariffs in ports. We have to have a very good partners on how on the good position of goods and port operators. We have to have a high quality of port services and everything. So this is somehow it's good, and it can help ports to develop even faster when they are competitive. Otherwise, if they are not, they do not have a competitivity, then they might be sleeping in the same way for a long time.
I mentioned in the beginning we are competitors, but that is not an obstacle, so we can cooperate, and competition is always good because it makes you better.
Yes. Now, a question for Professor. Know that we have the most connection you have with the port of Durrës, with the port of Vlora, with the port of Bar. We have a lot of connection every day. Passenger ships, ro-ros, sometimes also the cruise line are coming from Bar here. So, what do you think about part of having this idea of association together? How can these ports increase the cooperation together in order to increase more the traffic flow between these ports together?
Okay. We are in a different position from the port of Northern Adriatic because we really do not compete. We are in a more synergic position. We can cooperate because the traffic is between our ports, and it is a huge room for cooperation. And what I think that we have to think. Today I was shown the new marina of Durrës. Wonderful, really astonishing project. I was really impressed. Now, and we are planning a new marina in Bari, especially for mega yachts. It is a segment that was lacking in the Adriatic Sea. But nowadays we have a lot of mega yachts that are cruising our sea. It's increasing year by year. Every year we have more. So this yacht, we have to give them destination. Like they have destination in the Mediterranean Sea. They can go from Monte Carlo, Capri, Naples. So we have to design in the South Adriatic destinations that are in a way ready to host, to moor this mega yacht. They have their necessities. They need infrastructures, they need hotel, they have luxury services, and of course even an environment that is ready to have this high target passengers and owners of these ships. So this is a thing where we can cooperate because it's a new dimension, new economic sector. But there are many, many more. Many, many more. Think about the transition. We have talked about the new fuels, but it's not only the new fuels. We have to produce energy. So ports are not anymore the place where goods are traded, where energy is traded. It's the place where they are produced. They are becoming energy hub. And then we shall cooperate on that. Think about the plans for the offshore platform, the floating one. And we have a tender in our ministry for choosing ports where to produce these aeolic turbines, and something quite enormous, are more than 300 meters high, and have a lot of problems because you need to plan docks that are ready, and floaters. There are big structures. There are the float to where you can put the aeolic wind machines, and so these are this is coming. This is coming in the Adriatic Sea because the Adriatic Sea is very windy, and we will have a lot of aeolic parks, offshore and floating parks. And we can cooperate in the production of components. This is an industry in which we can be together, and this is an industry that is growing. And it is an industry that can supply these products worldwide. And we are in a way in an advantage compared to the port of the northern range, of even to the port of northern Italy. We have space. We always have space because we were southern Italy, so we were not so industrialized like northern Italy. So we have a lot of room for new industries. And I think the same can be said for Albania, or for Montenegro, or for Croatia, or for Greece. These are not industrialized countries. They have room for even growing in the future. And these opportunities that are just there to be grabbed, we can grab together. We have to make a synthesis of the need of the future, and we can cooperate in establishing in our ports, in our area, I would say, in this macro area, that is this macro region, the industry of the future. That they are mostly industries that are located in the ports or nearby the ports.
Thank you. I've been visiting Port of Bari several times, and I saw that there is a lot of space. You can put everything, and so you can have industrial parks in there, a lot of infrastructure. But this is not the case in our region. In Albania, the ports in Albania are facing a lot of difficulties with the land in space, because they were planned since the beginning to be a port city, so it was used mainly for passenger traffic, just a little bit of cargo, and they had very limited space, including Port of Durrës. I remember that I was in Singapore a few years ago, and they had a big port with 15 kilometers of queue, having so many container cranes and everything. And they were facing a lot of troubles because they needed more space. That's why they built a new port, not far from the old port, but the new, much larger and bigger.
In Durrës with the new port, no? Is the strategy. It's a good strategy. I really appreciate and agreeing with your strategy. Your port in Dures is quite small, it's surrounded by the cities, like many ports, old ports. So you need to build up a new port for new vessels, for new opportunities, for new use, new economies.
Yes, this is the case. 2 months ago, 3 months ago, we organized a meeting in Porto. There were plenty of space. They were producing energy from